Hi everyone. Today we learn about a new two terms. First one is Viviparous and the second one is Oviparous. So what do you mean by Viviparous and Oviparous animals? Okay, these two terms related to animals. Last class we learned fertilization and the steps, fertilization steps and the zygote formation or the development of zygote. Yes, the first one is viviparous animals. Okay, viviparous animals. So viviparous animals, which means the animals which give birth to young ones, are called what? Viviparous animals. So the animals which give birth to young ones. Okay, birth to young ones are called viviparous animals. So what are the examples of viviparous animals? It's very simple. Human being, human, dog, cat, etc. Yes. And the second one is oviparous animals. Oviparous animals. The second important term is oviparous animals. Oviparous animals, which means those animals which lays egg and later it become an adult one. Okay. So those animals which lay eggs are called oviparous animals. Okay. So examples of oviparous animals are, what are the examples? Hen, yes, lizard, frog, etc. Okay, these are the examples. So this is very simple. Oviparous and viviparous. Oviparous animals, which means the animals which give birth to young ones. Examples: human, dog, cat, etc. And the second one, oviparous animals. These oviparous animals, which means those animals, they lay eggs. They lay eggs, or egg laying animals are called oviparous animals. Examples: hen, lizard, frog, etc. Okay, so we next move to the next important topic. The next topic is metamorphosis. Okay, metamorphosis. So what do you mean by metamorphosis? Let's discuss. So you already learned about what? Oviparous and viviparous animals. So oviparous, which means egg laying animals. Yes. So if you observe that egg laying animals, after they lay eggs, this eggs undergoes drastic changes. Then it forms some of the animals. What happens? This egg lays, and after that laying that egg, or after 1 week, or according to their time period, that egg burst, and directly that adult will come out. But some animals, what happen? This egg, after the egg laying or the egg lays, what happen? Yes, this eggs undergoes different changes or stages. They move through different stages. At last it develop into an adult one. Okay, you already learned in your 7th standard what silkworm development. Yes, in the case of silkworm, they lay eggs. Yes, you know that silkworm, they lay eggs, and what happened? And these eggs change into form larva, or this larva we can call it caterpillar. Okay, that stage, caterpillar, larva or caterpillar. And this larva again changed into pupa stage. Okay, pupa stage. and this pupa again changed and form adult one. Adult silkworm. Adult, which means, yeah, silkworm. Okay. So here this silkworms lays egg, and egg changed in the form of larva or caterpillar, and the caterpillar again changed the pupal stage, and it again developed as a adult silkworm. So here the silkworms moves two different stage. Yes, again change to larva and the pupa, two different stage. Okay, and at last only it reaches to the adult silkworm in the form of silkworm. So in this year you want to learn about frog. Frog. We know the frog fertilization is which type? Which type of fertilization occurs? In the case of frog, external fertilization. Yes. So we know the frogs lay eggs. After that, suddenly the male also discharge sperm over the eggs, and it fuse and fertilization is occur. What happened? Yeah, the eggs what change in the form of larva. This larval stage is called tadpole stage. Tadpole stage. Okay, tadpole stage. And this tadpole is then developed into adult one. Adult frog. Okay, adult, which means frog. So here the frogs lays egg, and this eggs change in the form of larva or tadpole stage, and this tadpole is changed to again adult one. So here we know, if you observe that tadpole stage, it shows similarities to fish. The tadpole stage, we can see so many features are related to fish category, but after few days or weeks, what happened? This tadpole is changed into an adult frog. That adult frog can jump and also swim, but this tadpole stage only live with the help of the water. Yes. So here what happened? A drastic change occur from this young one to the adult. Yes. Okay, so this process is called metamorphosis. So metamorphosis, which means the transformation of young ones to an adult through drastic changes, is called what? Metamorphosis. Okay, that process is called metamorphosis. So today we learned the two topics, oviparous and viviparous animals, and the second one is metamorphosis. So please study well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.